Assalamu alaikum. I hope so you're all fine. If you are new on my channel, go subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon. Today our topic is escape sequences. Basically, escape sequences are special characters used to control the output look on output devices. These characters are not printed. These are used inside the output statement. Escape sequences are used for special purpose in programming, such as to begin printing on the next line, to issue a tab, and so many. Now I'm going to tell you some important escape sequences that are used in programming Python. Okay, number one is /n. Move cursor to the beginning of the next line. For example, print code with Noor. I print code with Noor in a single line, but /n breaks the line. In simple word, I can say that /n break the line. So now I'm giving you the example. Look, /n breaks the line. In other words, move cursor to the beginning of the next line. /t. Move cursor to the next horizontal tabular position. For example, I love Pakistan. Okay, let's see what it does. So as you can see, /t move cursor to the next horizontal position. Number third is \\. Okay, let's see what it does. Paste. It just print slash. Okay, number third is single quotes. If we want to print single quotes in print statement, so we just have to write these are print quotes, this one, and this is escape sequence /quote, single quote. This one code is print. If you want to print double quotes, then we have to do print. This one is print code, and these are let's see. Now I'm going to wrap up this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel for the further new updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.